Hey, what's up guys and welcome back to askNK. Today we're looking at something that is pretty nice. So this is the 50 Blender rope tools, which is something you'll definitely find if you've signed up to the newsletter. And for those who haven't signed up to the newsletter, there's also a couple more things that will be coming. So this is currently available for free. For those who like to pick it up, you can definitely come through and pick it up. The free version and also the paid version is exactly the same thing. So if you like to confirm the file sizes, you would notice that you have the very same file size. It's made available by Saleh and they are quite nice. So you have 50 different rope profiles. And this is for those who are unable to get curve add-ons, or maybe you do have curve add-ons, but you're looking for something a little bit more, then this is right here. So you can play with all of these and do some fantastic things. So with this said, let's dive into Blender and take a look at how it works. So if you have Blender open and you've downloaded this free tool, you can go over to the append section and you can append it. So if you go over to the rope tools, you would notice that you have 3 different Blender files. Now the file to use is this one, which is called the RopeTools ready to use. So you need to double click on that, because you're appending, turn on the fake user, double click on the collection, select any of the rope that you like to manipulate or play with and click on append. And once you do that, you would notice that this jumps right in. So from here is where you can start making some nice changes and, tweakings depending on what you want. So directly on this collection, you would find the curve. So from this curve, of course, you can do some stuff. If you like to manipulate the curve, you can do that. So I'm just going to tap G to position that there, G to turn this around. And from here, you can tap E on the keyboard to extrude that, and you can do some other nice things. If you like to use the pen tool, of course you can. So you can go ahead, use the pen tool. If you're a fan of the pen tool, if you also want to use these other tools as well, you can, of course, go in and do all of that. And for those who already have pre-existing curves and they're thinking about using that, of course you can. So let's say we have a simple curve like so, and then we go over to File, we go to append this, let's just find one. So I'm just going to get something a little bit, around here, turn on that fake user one more time, click on append and grab that. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, so I'm just going to tap G on the keyboard, move that around. And because this already has a modifier stack, we will change that. So go over to the array section and change this to the curve that you have, and then for the wrapping, close that, change it to this curve, and you have this bad boy. So this is pretty neat. Now you can also select the both of them if you choose, and you can go over to Object, go over to Snap, and you can click on Selection to active, and that way you have it. So if you already have like a pre-existing curve, this is super great. And by all means, if you like to get this, you can come over and check this one out. It's totally free. I also found out that Saleh has a couple of other things that are free on his page, which might interest you. So he has the 20 wood base materials, which are cool. There's also the Islamic geometry. He also has the 100 camouflage patterns. So, you can get this. You can also get the ropes. Depending on what you want, you will definitely love this one. So this is one of those free stuff that we sort of missed within the week. And it is quite interesting to see that you now have it and you can actually play with it. So for those who like to catch up with a couple more news and also some more free stuff, you can simply sign up to the newsletter. Link is going to be in the description. And you can also check out the link in the description and grab this one for yourself. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.